You bersilat bila you present. You tai chi bila you tak boleh bersilat dah. You tai chi ke situ. If we don't know how to answer the question, what's the best phrase to use? It depends why you don't know. If you don't know because you're not the one who's handling the project, for example, it's someone else, then you can say, for that question, I'm not the right person to answer because the one who's handling that part, the budget part, is my colleague, Puan Siti. So we can ask Puan Siti. Puan Siti, can you answer? Tu nama dia Tai Chi. Memang you tahu pasal projek tu, tapi bukan you yang buat budget. You buat benda lain. You buat drawing. Yang buat budget tu Puan Siti. Tai Chi lah. The tip is, when you want to go for presentation, make sure you bring all your crew. Yang jaga budget, yang jaga site, yang jaga semua bawa dalam meeting dengan board tu. Jangan you seorang. Bawa semua orang. Okay, so you tak payahlah seseorang hadap. So when you're blank, Puan Siti will answer. Puan Siti. So, semua mata pergi kat Puan Siti lepas tu. You bersilat bila you present. You tai chi bila you tak boleh bersilat dah. You tai chi ke situ. Are you struggling to speak English? Join our free class today. Click the link in bio to learn more.